Good morning, Tom Shafer here with Blossom Installations and Max Dogs joining me. Just finished doing an Omega remote starting system in this 2020 Dodge Durango. This has the push to start ignition system, and we initiate the remote start with the very popular 3x lock from the factory remote. That initiates the remote start sequence. Once the vehicle is up and running, you will be able to do secure ignition takeover by simply unlocking the vehicle, entering the vehicle, closing the door behind you, and pressing the brake pedal. From here, you simply drive away. Blossom Installation, Pocono Mountains, Pennsylvania, the technical, automotive, electrical installation experts. Blossom Installations and Max Dogs.